What is up guys, Tan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable report phishing in Outlook. So first log in with your Outlook account and after that on the left side click on new. After clicking on new at the top you will see the app section. Click on this and after clicking on this click on get add-ins. After clicking on get add-ins you just simply need to search for phishing and after that, as you can see, this is the pattern report phishing. Just simply add this and then you can just use it to report the phishing. And you can just get started with report phishing by just simply clicking on get started. And after that, herein you will find all the details of the Bastion report phishing. So click on this Outlook customizations. And after that, you just simply need to click on allow. And then in the settings, you need to give it the permission. And after giving the permission, you can do the report phishing process. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.